Look, bro, when it comes to your skin, I get it. Any imperfection will destroy your confidence. And the truth is that when it comes to men, the most common skin imperfections, the 7 that we're going to talk about in this video, most of them can be treated at home and fixed borderline overnight. For example, number 1, let's talk about dark eye circles. Probably the worst one to have, just because having those deep sunken eyes with those bags underneath makes you look tired. It makes you look exhausted, like you lack energy. So try a cold compress. Simple. Grab 2 metal spoons, throw them in the fridge for about an hour, pull them out, and you're going to apply them right underneath those bags. The cold compress is going to tighten or decompress your blood vessels, which is causing those dark bags to occur underneath while also reducing inflammation. Number 2, your skin texture. Skin texture, you have to get up close and personal to a mirror, but that's when you'll see a bunch of pores and bumps and unevenness in your skin. All that is skin texture that can actually be buffed out. You have to understand that most of that comes from old skin. So it's all dead skin, it's also clogged up pores, it's oily skin, it's acne, it's a bunch of things mixed into one, which is causing that unevenness. This is why I love to cleanse my face with my electric facial scrubber from He. See, this electric facial scrubber has tiny silicone bristles that act as an exfoliator. So every time I'm washing my face, I'm also gently exfoliating, buffing out my skin and removing that top surface layer, which is that dead skin, which is the dirt from the day, which is that oil stuck in my pores. All of that is lifted off. Yo, I mean, look at the reviews. Every time we launch and restock this scrubber, it sells out in seconds because this thing's amazing. Look, one usage out of this, you're gonna see your skin instantly smoother and softer. That's after one wash. Imagine what happens when you wash your face every day with this thing. Like, your skin's gonna look flawless. You're gonna start removing a lot of that texture so you can have that perfect looking skin. So when you're up close and personal with the chick, you got nothing to worry about. You're confident. Your confidence is out the roof, bro. If you guys want to check out this electric scrubber, it's super dope. It wirelessly charges, so you don't have to worry about anything. It's also waterproof. It has 2 sides. One's for collagen building and facial massages, and the other one's for facial scrubbing. And you can also control the speed of the vibration. So if you guys want to check it out, like I always say, it sells out really fast. Right now, we're stocked up. If you guys want to check it out, the link will be down below. Number 3, it's your oily skin. This one's easy to tackle. If you're the type of dude that after an hour or so out and about, your skin starts getting all greasy, especially around the nose and the forehead area, that's super uncomfortable. You feel dirty, your face feels heavy. The easiest way to battle against this is with your face wash. See, if you buy a face wash with salicylic acid, most of them will have about 2%. The acid will do a great job cutting through the grease. So not only are you gonna wash away most of the grease, that acid is gonna work as a deterrent for more grease to appear. And the more you use it, the more your face is gonna get accustomed to that matte look without it overproducing oil. Which takes us down to number 4, hyperpigmentation. This usually, most of the time, occurs to darker colored guys like myself, or if you're a little darker than me, or lighter. But usually when you have more melanin in your skin, what ends up happening is that your skin overproduces melanin in certain areas, which leaves darker spots than others, which looks unpleasant. You want that one balanced, even coat. The best way to fix this is with vitamin C. Now, there's a lot of vitamin C creams that you can buy and toners that you can buy. Those are great. That's what I use. If you want to do an at-home remedy, just grab a vitamin C pack, mix it with water, put it in a sprayer bottle, works just as fine. The point is that vitamin C is a natural antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and prevents those darker spots to form on your skin. Number 5, swollen or inflammation. Happens all the time, especially if you're not getting enough sleep, if you're eating too much salt or sodium in your meals, or if you just got hungover. The problem with this is that puffy skin reduces structure from your face, and now your face looks more circular. You look heavier. The easiest way to battle against this is with ice. Similar to the cold compression, the difference is that now you're gonna grab an ice cube and gently massage it across your entire face and jawline area to reduce that swelling and inflammation that your skin has and make your face look less puffy. Number 6, it's redness. See, redness kind of, again, this one usually happens to people that are lighter skin. Similar to hyperpigmentation, you don't want different colors of patches on your face. You want that even skin tone color. So to fix this, you need to understand where it comes from. Most of the time, it's just irritation. And the best way to fight against irritation is by moisturizing. So using a good facial cream that hydrates and cools down your face. I have a facial cream that actually does this, which it not only hydrates your face, it has this cooling effect. It has amazing reviews on Amazon. But the point is that it helps reduce some sort of irritation or redness that could occur and leaving your skin looking perfect and balanced. And finally, number 7, it's acne. The key here, this is the key. You need to have a skincare routine, which kind of what we talked about in this video, but it needs to be with products that work for your skin. And that's where most guys screw up. See, most guys will buy just any product thinking, oh, I'm getting it done with any facial cleanser, or I'm getting done with any moisturizer, not knowing that if it doesn't work with your skin type, you could be doing more harm to your skin, clogging up your pores, and causing more acne flare-ups than actually helping yourself out. This is why it's so important. You need to try different products that are designed for your skin type. Everybody has a different skin type. Once you try each, you need to see which ones are giving you a positive effect on your skin and not a negative one. This is why a lot of guys will say, oh, skincare systems don't work, or oh, I've done that before, it doesn't work. It's not that it doesn't work, you were using the wrong products. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget, if you guys want to check out that He scrubber, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.